Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to restart Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to restart your phone, then how to restart today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. And friends, today I will show you guys a secret setting, then friends you can restart your Oppo phone without press and click any button. So friends, we will click on first of all phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on search option, accessibility setting. So when we search again accessibility setting, friends, you can see accessibility. Click here. After on accessibility, friends, you can see talk back, magnification setting, color correction, color inversion setting, high contrast text. So friends, scroll. Friends, click on your accessibility menu setting. After on friends accessibility menu, friends, you will have to on the shortcut setting, and guys give permission means only guys OK option, tap here to allow. After allow, friends, come back. Friends, now you will see here one man icon. So friends, click on this icon. Friends, you can lock your screen, recent tab. You want to increase volume, you can increase volume, brightness. You can take a screenshot. Friends, you can see we can take a screenshot with shortcut setting. So I will click here, and friends, click on your power of setting. And friends, you can see restart button, restart. So friends, your phone will automatic off, and friends, your phone will automatic on without press any button. Friends, you can check. So guys, we will wait for a while, and guys phone will power on automatic friends, as you can see. So guys, after 25 and 30 seconds your phone will power on. So guys, we will wait for 20 and 30 seconds. So friends, your phone will automatic on after 20 and 30 seconds, and guys you can swipe and you can use your Oppo phone. And friends, you want to off this setting, so friends click on this man icon, accessibility setting, and friends scroll it, accessibility menu setting, and tap here. So like that guys, we can restart our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.